Hello, this is Kavita and you all are watching my channel Chirag and Kavita's World. Today I am going to give you some information about English speaking with the help of I would like to the phrase. Now, what is the use of the phrase I would like to? The phrase I would like to is um, used to express our polite desire, preference or intention. Then again some other uses of the phrase I would like to. Let's see which are the uses of the phrase I would like to. Expressing future plans or goal. For expressing future plans or goals, we can use the phrase I would like to. Then offering help or suggestion. To offering help or suggestion, we can use the phrase I would like to. Then again, expressing personal desire. Expressing personal desire or preference or telling future plans, we can use the phrase I would like to. Now see what is the rule in how we can add the phrase I would like to in the sentences. See, I would like to plus first form of the main verb plus object or additional information. In this way, we can make some sentences with the help of I would like to. Now see, let's see some sentences. I would like to visit the museum this weekend. This shows a future plans or goal. Then I would like to become a doctor in future. This also shows future goals. Then I would like to suggest a different approach. I would like to suggest a different approach. This shows offering help or suggestion. Then I would like to spend more time with my family. This sentence shows personal desire or preference. Now again I will read these sentences. I would like to visit the museum this weekend. I would like to suggest a different approach. I would like to spend more time with my family. I would like to become a doctor in future. Now let's see how we can make negative sentences with the help of I would like to. Now see, after would, only one thing we should add there, that is not. Not, not and not. Now in this way we can make negative sentences with the help of I would like to, including or adding not. Now see, I would not like to visit the museum this weekend. I would not I would not like to suggest a different approach. I would not like to spend more time with my family. I would not like to become a doctor in future. I hope you all are understand how you can use that for a phrase in sentences and how you can make some sentences with the help of I would like to. Now let's see again some sentences related to I would like to. See, I would like to earn more money. Then I would like to become a teacher in future. Then we can make negative sentence also. I would not. I would not. I would not like to earn more money. I would not I would not like to become a teacher in future. Then again, let's see some sentences. I would like to speak fluently. I would like to speak fluently English. I would like to speak fluently English. Or I would like to speak English fluently. Negative sentence, would I would not like, I would not like to speak in English. Fluently. I would not like to speak in English fluently. If you want to speak in English, if you would to like speak in English, then you have to follow these all rules and try to add this phrase in your daily routine sentences. For example, I would like to take some tea. I I would like to take some tea. I would like to play on ground. I would like to go to school. I would like to go to Nagpur. In this way, you can make so many sentences with the help of I would like to. And you can make some negative sentences also with the help of I would like to. Now in next episode I will teach you or I will give you information how we can make some sentences interrogative sentences related to the or with the help of I would like to, and how we can more politely request to the next person with the help of I would like to. I will give you information about all that. For today, this much only. We will meet again on the same channel, Chirag and Kavita's Word, and I request you all, if you not subscribe my channel till, please subscribe it, share my videos to more and more peoples, and please comment and tell me how is today's episode also. Thank you. Have a nice day to all.